Welcome back to another Rhize demo video. Today we'll be looking at the Rhize connector built for Seeq. The connector allows indexing equipment from Rhize as assets in Seeq, and equipment properties as signals and scalars. Various conditions are also set up, such as for job orders and job responses, which we'll be taking a look at. Below, in the assets tree, you'll see the root asset for today's example, Acme Inc. This describes the enterprise level, and then clicking into it, we can see individual sites, individual work areas, and individual work centers. Clicking on one, we can then see the signals that are mapped to it from its properties, and we can plot those to the grid. Here's an example of a float, and then for a string, and then for a Boolean. Let's take a look at some of the conditions. Here we can see the conditions that are made available by the connector. Let's take a look at job orders and job responses. We can see a number of them are available above. However, they're quite continuous, so let's take a look at some of Seeq's manual conditions. So supposing we wanted to get from a certain time range, you can select that time range, add it, and then now we have a condition available there. And selecting that condition, we can then limit our view to just what is provided in that condition. Next, let's work on some formulas. Let's suppose we wanted to get the inverse of the closed signal. Doing this, we then need to get the inverse, which can be seen on the graph. And then using this, we can then make a condition. We can do this by value searching for whenever our formula results in 1. And then likewise to our manual condition from before. We can limit our view just to whenever our new condition is 1. That's it for the Seeq connector. In the next video, we'll look at how this is all put together in Rhize. Thanks for watching.